Temasek net portfolio value has gone up 45 billion Singapore dollar, and that is nearly 33 billion dollar from previous year. If you compare, the company is focusing on investing into market leaders, alternative assets, core plus infra, AI value chain assets. My colleague Anurag Joshi is joining with the more details on this details which is coming from Temasek.
Singapore investment firm Temasek has reported its investment review for 2025. The net portfolio value for Temasek rose 45 billion Singapore dollars in the year to March 31. In the year, the net portfolio value rose to a record high of 434 billion Singapore dollars. The investment firm invested 52 billion Singapore dollars and divested 42 billion Singapore dollars in the year. And according to Temasek, the performance was helped by the Temasek's listed Singapore-based portfolio companies and also direct investments in markets like China, US and in India. Now, if we see the one-year total shareholder return, that was 11.8%. In Singapore dollar terms and 12.4% in US dollar terms, and the total shareholder return for a 20-year period was at 7%, the 10-year at 5%. The Temasek says the focus will remain on investing in market leader companies, alternative assets, core plus infra. On a mark-to-market basis, the net present value as on March 31 would have been about Singapore dollars 469 billion, and over the past financial year, the net investments were Singapore dollars 10 billion, while the net reversing a net divestment of Singapore dollars 7 billion last year. In India, Temasek's key investment was in Haldiram, which is a snacking and restaurant giant where Temasek took a minority equity stake.